Here is the final part of our cassava fufu. Hello good day everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video my people, we are going to be making this fufu we started a few days ago. So come with me, let's make it together. Here is the fufu my people, so I'm just mixing it together and later I will share it into 3 parts because I cannot finish it once. So this one is the one that we are going to be making now, and while the other one we are going to be putting it in our freezer. So tell me, which soup are you going to be using for this fufu? Because the way this fufu take come out nicely, then you will not even believe it if I not tell you say this na cassava fufu, because the way it take come out you not go believe, my darling. So if you still the one that say cassava fufu they hungry you and you don't know how you want to get, and my people, like I said earlier in my previous video, just go to any Africa store close to you, then buy this cassava and follow it step by step, just the way you are seeing on my video. If you have not watched the part 1 and part 2, please do, so you will understand. So I'm tying in a nylon, is the one I'm going to be freezing. Okay, I'm going to put it in my freezer for another day. Let's go and make this now in our gas. So here you are going to add a little water, not much, just little, because you don't want your cassava fufu to be very light. So we are going to be adding the water little by little. Anytime I'm making food that my children are not familiar with, they will always ask, "Mommy, what is this?" And just get ready to be answering question upon question. This one will come and ask her, "Oh, Mommy, what is this called?" And you will tell them. The other one will come, the same thing. More as I don't answer question tired, they no one still collect them from me. At the end, we concluded that this is semo. So everybody now rest, because anything swallow in this house apart from stars, everything is called semo in my house. Please, so my fellow mothers in the house, what are your children calling different kind of fufu in your home, like starch, pounded yam, semo, puree? What are they calling it? Because in my house everything is called semo. Please let me know on the comment section. If you know, say you don't watch this video, share it may say you dey enjoy them, but you don't want follow, you don't want like, you don't want even share. I your kilo day. What is going on? Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as you take the support una get. Look at our cassava fufu is ready. Oh yeah, hurry up, go and bring your soup and come and have your fufu. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say, suffered silently, wanting to be erased? There's a reason to believe again.